These 4 screws correspond to the 4 mounting holes of the installation parts and helicopter head cover. Align the 4 holes on the installation component with the 4 holes on the helicopter head cover. Insert the 4 screws into the corresponding mounting holes and tighten them. Take out the double-sided tape, attach it to the corresponding accessory, and secure it in the designated position on the helicopter canopy. Place the battery into the helicopter's battery compartment and secure it properly. Turn on the remote controller's power. Plug in the plug and power on the airplane. Waiting for aircraft self-inspection. Aircraft self-test completed. Place the power cord properly. Connect the plug from the gimbal to the plug on the helicopter. Attention, the red line corresponds to the red line, and the black line corresponds to the black line. Cannot be inserted incorrectly, otherwise it will burn the gimbal. The plug is connected properly. The gimbal and the air unit will start working. Organize the cables neatly and install the helicopter canopy onto the helicopter. Press once, and quickly press again, and hold for 2 seconds to turn on or off.
Press and hold the mode switching button for 2 seconds in the connected state to initialize the attitude of the head tracker. The attitude of the goggles corresponds to the 0 position of the gimbal. Attitude initialization is required before each using.
Take out the double-sided tape and attach it to the head tracker. Short press the button, then long press the button to open the head tracker. After the head tracker is turned on, the camera on the gimbal can be controlled to turn. Turn on the glasses antenna. Short press the button, then long press the button to turn on the glasses. The same operation is used to turn off the glasses. Take out the head tracker and remove the protective film from the double-sided tape. The head tracker switch button is facing outward. Stick it on the glasses. Put on the goggles, then press and hold the M button for a few seconds to calibrate the gimbal to the center position. When the plane is unlocked, the glasses automatically record, and the sky and in the helicopter also automatically records. When the plane is locked, the recording will stop.